Hello, dear viewers. Today, welcome to the story of Luna's Lost Star. We begin our tale on a clear, crisp night. Luna, a small girl with a boundless fascination for the night sky, is taking a peaceful stroll along the shore. Her eyes, full of wonder, scan the star-studded sky. Suddenly, her gaze locks onto a star. It's different. It's lost. This star doesn't shine like the others in the sky. Determined, Luna decides to find the lost star and restore its light. Luna talks to the lost star, learning about its sad story. The star tells Luna about how it once shone brightly among its celestial siblings. But one fateful day, it veered off its path and found itself adrift in the vast universe. The star tried to find its way back home, but the sky was too vast and the star too lost. The star's light dimmed, its shine faded, and it felt lonely and afraid. Luna listened, her heart filled with compassion. The star's tale touched her deeply, and she knew she couldn't leave it alone in the darkness. With a determined look in her eyes and a comforting smile, Luna makes her decision. Luna decides to help. Together, Luna and the lost star embark on a journey among the stars. They set sail through the cosmos, exploring galaxies painted with hues of pink, blue, and gold. They dance amidst meteor showers, each meteor like a fiery dancer twirling through the night. They listen to the symphony of distant stars, each note a whisper of stories untold. Along the path, Luna's wisdom and kindness light the way, illuminating the star's path back home. Luna, with her unwavering spirit, helps the star remember its own light, its own purpose. Through their adventures, the star begins to glow brighter, its light growing stronger with each passing moment. And so, Luna guides the lost star to reclaim its light. Finally, Luna and the lost star reunite, and the star's light returns. The darkness of the night sky is banished, replaced by a shimmering tapestry of twinkling lights. Luna feels a sense of accomplishment, her heart swelling with pride. After all, she's assisted a star in reclaiming its brilliance. Yet the most cherished reward isn't the sense of achievement, but the heartfelt gratitude expressed by the star. This gratitude, this connection, is more valuable than any celestial treasure. However, the gratitude from the lost star is a precious reward for her. Thank you for watching this beautiful story, Luna's Lost Star. If you enjoyed it, like, share, and subscribe for more enchanting tales. Until the next adventure, see you!